Booga, it's Trucker JP. Let's get the cracking, baby.
What's up, nigga? It's for my niggas in them big trucks.
Look at here. This right here don't make no sense. This don't make no sense. This don't make no sense. This here don't make no sense at all. Look at all these dogs on snow. Over here in Illinois. Mount Vernon, Illinois. Look at all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And I got to get gas. And I still got to go to Iowa. No, well, Trucker JP make it happen, won't it? Trucker JP make it happen. Well, now, look at the side here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, I cut my dog on toe here this year. He's too fast. Now that's slow down now. He's gonna go, so I need to get over there. Look at that. That don't make no sense at all. Boy, I tell you the truth. Well, gotta do what we gotta do. Just look at all this. Just look at all this. This don't make no sense at all. All this doggone snow. All this doggone snow. Yeah, look at you. All this doggone snow. That don't make no sense at all. Well, let me get that gas. Look at this. Right outside Illinois. I made it right outside Illinois. Outside Illinois. Right inside going into Missouri. And this is what I'm driving through. And winter ain't even kicked in yet. Winter ain't even kicked in yet. Well, it's just a little bit. Guess y'all will see. Snow every damn one. Snow every damn one. Snow everywhere. Look at that. It's still even falling out the sky. Look at my truck. Look at my truck. There's a down there. Iced up. Yeah. All the way back there. I don't want nobody ever tell me that I can't drive in the snow. That dog gonna show enough made it happen just then. I got stuck right down there. I got stuck right there. You know what I did? I found my way out of that thing. Look at that. Snow rain. It's snow rain. So I tell y'all don't know. Wait till the winter time. Think about trucking? Wait till the winter time. Look good all on the dry side. When the winter time comes, that's when it come at you. Trucker JP in here doing the thing. Let's make it happen. Oh God, boy, look at here. Oh. Look at here. That dog. Woo. This right here ain't no joke. Think I want to move up here? Shit. I got a whole nother thing coming on. Good God Almighty. Look at that. 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 sticking and rolling over there. Oh, I'm moving that thing around over there. God. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Snow time. I just walked up to the doggone stove and got back. And look what I ran into. Whole bunch of doggone snow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I tell you the truth. It's gonna be one long little 4-hour ride. Woo! Oh, God, oh, look at that, look at that. No, boy, look at that, look at that. Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, well, look at that. Well, and here you guys have it. Nothing but snow. We stuck till 6 o'clock now. Yeah, I'm steady eating snow. Look at that. Steady eating snow. But we stuck till 6 o'clock. And we ain't going nowhere. We stuck till 6 o'clock. We ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. See, night rider getting out in the snow. I done been out here and got chains up under the tire and got stuck. Got doggone. Had to get out. Got stuck in the snow. Had to get the chains out. Man, look at that. Let's look at all that. Look at all that snow. Nothing but snow. Out here, nothing but snow. You lock the door? Okay. So, we out here, nothing but snow. Nothing but snow. And mud. Wet water, mud, all this good stuff. We out here. Good God Almighty. I'll tell you the truth. Look at that. Look at all this snow. I can't even tell where to step at. Look at that. Oh, that snow. Y'all want to move out here? Be my guest. Feel free. All this snow. All this doggone snow. Hot dog. It's a snowstorm. We right in the middle of a snowstorm. It's right on top of it. Westbound closed, eastbound getting hit pretty hard. And they probably finna be shut down. All of it finna be shut down. 6 o'clock. Hot dog. That night ride, he way back there. I be trucking. I try to get the best I can, but yeah, we ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. Man, I'm not looking for this, but that's what you can look for out here. Look at that. Look at that. I swear there's about 6 accidents out there. How about it now? So everything shut down out there.
It's fucking nuts.
Yeah, it is. It's right on top of it.
Yeah.
Right on top. Hot.
It's only supposed to be 1 or 2 inches.
Yeah.
They nailed that one, didn't
They nailed that right there on the head.
We got 6 inches right now and it's still falling.
Yep. And this ain't gonna be the bit of it.
Noon time's when it's supposed to be out of here.
They say.
That's what they say.
Weatherman, he'll tell you anything.
Yeah, they make $150,000 a year to be liars.
Mm-hmm.
And they don't lose their job.